Top 7 Powerful Oils to Heal Rheumatoid Arthritis. Pain naturally. If you're dealing with rheumatoid arthritis and looking for natural ways to manage your pain, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of essential oils and how they can be a game changer in your rheumatoid arthritis management routine. Essential oils have been cherished for their healing properties for centuries, offering a natural and holistic approach to easing pain and inflammation. We'll be covering 7 powerful essential oils, each with its own unique benefits, from the anti-inflammatory wonders of frankincense to the soothing effects of lavender, and even the joint-supporting properties of turmeric. These oils can help you find relief and improve your overall quality of life. Plus, we'll share tips on how to use these oils safely and effectively so you get the most out of them. So make sure you stay tuned until the end to find out which essential oil might be the perfect addition to your wellness routine. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and natural remedies. Now, let's dive in and discover how these incredible oils can support your journey to better health. Number 1. Frankincense Oil. Frankincense oil is one of the most powerful natural remedies for managing rheumatoid arthritis pain. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, it helps reduce swelling and stiffness in the joints, easing the discomfort commonly linked to arthritis. The oil also promotes better blood circulation, which can enhance mobility and reduce pain over time. Frankincense oil is rich in compounds called Boswellic acids, which are known to inhibit inflammatory responses in the body. Regular use of this oil may not only help alleviate physical symptoms, but also promote relaxation and mental clarity, since its calming aroma has stress-reducing effects. To use, dilute a few drops of frankincense oil with a carrier oil such as coconut or olive oil, then apply directly to the affected joints. Alternatively, you can add it to a diffuser for aromatherapy. This versatile oil provides both physical and emotional relief for those struggling with chronic pain. Number 2. Ginger Oil. Ginger oil is another excellent natural remedy for relieving rheumatoid arthritis pain. It contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols, which help reduce joint inflammation and stiffness. Known for its warming effects, ginger oil also improves circulation, making it easier to move and easing pain naturally. This oil acts as a natural analgesic, making it a great option for people managing chronic pain. Beyond pain relief, ginger oil helps boost immunity and reduces oxidative stress, both of which play an important role in protecting overall joint health. To use, dilute ginger oil with a carrier oil such as almond or coconut oil, then massage it into sore areas. It can also be added to a warm bath for soothing, whole-body relief. Regular use not only provides immediate pain reduction, but can also enhance long-term mobility and well-being. Number 3. Peppermint Oil. Peppermint oil is well known for its cooling and soothing properties. This makes it especially beneficial for people with rheumatoid arthritis, as the menthol in peppermint creates a cooling sensation that relieves pain and reduces inflammation in affected joints. The refreshing aroma of peppermint also helps improve mental focus and reduces fatigue, which is common among arthritis sufferers. To use peppermint oil safely, dilute a few drops with a carrier oil and gently massage onto painful joints or sore muscles. You can also add a few drops to a diffuser for an uplifting, energizing atmosphere. The oil not only provides quick comfort, but also supports circulation and relaxation. Peppermint oil has powerful properties, making it a popular natural remedy for rheumatoid arthritis pain. The active compound in peppermint oil, menthol, provides an immediate cooling sensation that can help reduce inflammation and numb discomfort. Peppermint oil also acts as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to ease joint stiffness and improve mobility. Beyond its quick analgesic effects, peppermint oil contains strong anti-inflammatory compounds that work to reduce swelling in affected areas. This makes it an excellent choice for flare-ups, offering fast relief from joint pain and discomfort. To use peppermint oil, dilute a few drops with a carrier oil such as jojoba or almond oil, then gently massage it into the painful joints. Another effective option is applying it through a cold compress for extra relief during periods of inflammation. Its refreshing scent also uplifts mood, offering valuable emotional support, while coping with the daily challenges of rheumatoid arthritis. Number 4. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is a gentle yet highly effective essential oil that helps alleviate both pain and inflammation caused by rheumatoid arthritis. Known for its soothing and calming effects, lavender oil doesn't just target physical pain. It also eases the mental and emotional stress that often comes with living with chronic pain conditions. This oil carries strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, making it a versatile remedy for reducing joint stiffness and discomfort. Another key benefit is its ability to promote better sleep, which is especially important for individuals with rheumatoid arthritis, since pain frequently disrupts rest and recovery. To use lavender oil, dilute it with a carrier oil such as olive or coconut oil, then apply it to sore or inflamed areas. You can also add a few drops to warm bath water for a soothing soak, or place it in a diffuser to relax and ease tension. Its pleasant aroma makes lavender ideal for both topical treatments and aromatherapy, providing all-around relief for arthritis sufferers. Number 5. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is a well-known natural remedy for pain and inflammation, making it especially beneficial for rheumatoid arthritis. It contains compounds such as cineole, which provide potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. By improving blood circulation and reducing swelling in affected areas, eucalyptus oil helps to relieve joint pain naturally. Its cooling effect not only numbs discomfort, but also helps reduce muscle stiffness, making movement easier and less painful. Additionally, eucalyptus oil is believed to boost the immune system, which can be valuable in managing autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. To use eucalyptus oil, dilute it with a carrier oil such as coconut or almond oil, then massage it gently into painful joints. You can also inhale the soothing aroma through a diffuser to enhance its pain-relieving properties, while gaining added respiratory and emotional benefits. Regular use can significantly reduce discomfort and promote healthier, more mobile joints. Number 6. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is another powerful natural option for relieving rheumatoid arthritis pain. It is packed with anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that help reduce swelling, ease stiffness, and relieve joint discomfort. By stimulating circulation to affected areas, rosemary oil not only improves mobility, but also helps muscles relax around inflamed joints. Rich in antioxidants, rosemary oil further protects cells from oxidative damage, a factor that often worsens inflammation over time. Beyond its physical effects, rosemary oil's invigorating aroma promotes mental clarity, reduces stress, and improves overall mood, which is especially helpful for people dealing with chronic pain. To use rosemary oil, dilute it with a carrier oil, such as olive or coconut oil, then apply it directly to the joints. You can also add it to a diffuser to enjoy both its healing properties and its uplifting fragrance. Regular use can ease discomfort while also supporting overall joint health, mobility, and emotional balance. Its soothing and energizing scent makes rosemary oil not only effective for relieving pain, but also excellent for improving flexibility and supporting overall joint function. With regular use, rosemary oil becomes a valuable remedy for those managing rheumatoid arthritis. Number 7. Turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is a potent natural remedy for rheumatoid arthritis pain thanks to its high concentration of curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin works by inhibiting key inflammatory pathways in the body, which helps reduce swelling, stiffness, and the joint pain commonly linked to rheumatoid arthritis. Beyond its anti-inflammatory qualities, turmeric oil is rich in antioxidants. These compounds protect cells from damage and reduce oxidative stress, a process that often worsens arthritis symptoms over time. Consistent use of turmeric oil can improve joint mobility, decrease flare-ups, and enhance comfort for people living with arthritis. To use, dilute turmeric oil with a carrier oil such as coconut or olive oil, then gently massage it into the affected joints. Alternatively, turmeric oil can also be used in a diffuser for aromatherapy, where its warm, earthy scent provides relaxation alongside pain relief. The combination of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and analgesic properties makes turmeric oil one of the most effective choices for managing rheumatoid arthritis naturally, while also supporting long-term joint health. Summary: In this video, we explored the top 7 essential oils for managing rheumatoid arthritis pain naturally. Essential oils have been valued for centuries for their therapeutic benefits, and modern use continues to highlight how effective they can be in providing relief. Each oil offers unique properties that work in harmony to reduce inflammation, ease discomfort, and improve quality of life. We began with frankincense oil, known for reducing inflammation, easing swelling, and promoting circulation. Next came ginger oil, which warms the joints, improves blood flow, and acts as a natural analgesic for chronic pain. Peppermint oil followed, providing a cooling sensation while helping to relax stiff muscles and reduce swelling. Lavender oil offered not only pain relief, but also stress reduction, mental calm, and better sleep, which are essential for people living with arthritis. From there, we highlighted eucalyptus oil, packed with cineole, a compound that reduces swelling, improves circulation, and even boosts the immune system. Rosemary oil provided powerful antioxidant protection, improved flexibility, and stress relief through its invigorating aroma. Finally, we explored turmeric oil, whose curcumin content reduces inflammation, improves joint function, and prevents further damage caused by oxidative stress. Each of these oils can be used safely and effectively when diluted with carrier oils such as coconut, almond, or olive oil. They may be massaged directly into painful joints, added to warm baths, or diffused to provide additional emotional and respiratory benefits. The key is consistency, small daily applications that build into long-term improvements for joint health. Whether you're completely new to essential oils or already familiar with them but looking to expand your wellness toolkit, this guide provides valuable options to support your journey. Essential oils are not meant to replace medical treatment, but they can complement your existing plan, helping to reduce flare-ups and improve overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide to essential oils for managing rheumatoid arthritis both helpful and inspiring. If you have questions or if you'd like to share your personal experiences with these oils, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And hit that subscribe button for more tips on natural remedies, wellness strategies, and holistic healthcare. Be sure to ring the notification bell as well, so you'll always stay updated on our latest content. Remember, managing rheumatoid arthritis is a lifelong journey, but incorporating natural remedies like essential oils can be a wonderful step toward finding comfort and relief. Stay tuned for more videos, take good care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next one. For your convenience, we've included product links in the description below, so feel free to check them out.